What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today, and in today's video I'm going to talk with you guys one of my secret trading strategies. I love using this strategy, and when the opportunity comes I watch a stock very tightly, very closely, and today we had NVAX on watch. It fit the criteria, and it was just perfect. All right, now before I go ahead and get into it, make sure you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, share this on YouTube, share this on Twitter. Let's get this out there. I want everyone to kind of know this because it gives you guys the opportunity to kind of maximize, put yourself in a position to actually make some money, as there isn't much overhead resistance. All right, so let's get right into it and come up with what this is and why I actually enjoy doing it and using it. All right, so again, like everything, I use my charting and technical analysis, and I team it up with Unusual Whales, which is a flow service, and I kind of combine everything together to get going. All right, so here we go. This is NVAX. All right, so if you guys have followed me long enough, you know that my go-to system is these things called pockets. All right, what are pockets? Pockets are essentially areas of resistance and supports that don't have much in between. So in this regards, we have our last area of resistance right here at this 63.36 level. All right, now from here, if we are to look to the left, right here is price action. If we look to the left, the first area of resistance we see right here, and then right here. Okay, so that we can say is our next areas of resistance. Okay, right here. So from the 63.36, 63.40 area, what is our next area of resistance? There's really nothing in between until the 78.04. So that is an area with room to move to the upside, and that is why I like to take advantage or keep these on the radar. Okay, now with that said, we have to look a little deeper and see what the intraday price action gives us. At the back of our head, we know that this thing has room to go, right? Because there is a pocket on the chart that has room to push with not much overhead resistance. So now, taking a look at the intraday activity, all right, this is NVAX. Yesterday, I had a nice push up, came down, consolidated, but we have put in this little bit of resistance right here at this level, also here, right? So if we can clear all these levels, then we can look to get that push. So what was the game plan today? Game plan was, let me see if I can pull this up over here for you guys. Game plan was NVAX long over 64.50. Now, why the 64.50? Again, it is that intraday resistance from yesterday, right? We have these resistance areas right here. If we can clear that, we know at the back of our head, we are in a pocket to the upside here. And as soon as we get into this pocket, we do have the opportunity to continue pushing. All right, now once the market opened, I want to pull your eyes to the flow side here. Take a look at what's going on. They're coming in here. They're hammering these bullish activity here, right? You can see the tape here is pretty bullish across the board. If you look at the flow here, overall 61% bullish. And if we go in and take a look at the closer times, right? Take a look at what's going on here. Lots of green spikes on the intraday activity, telling us that they're coming in. And there's more buyers, more bullish premium coming in than actually bearish premium. All right, and if we take a look at the level side as well, we can see that there's lots of volume coming in on the 75-70 calls. Price was at around 64 when this is happening, and all the volume really usually does come in the morning sometimes, and you have about 980 volume come in, and these two chains have the highest high. All right, so that right there was another reasoning for it, and the trigger was right here at 64.50. You can take a look here. Once it really hit that trigger, it didn't look back, and it just took off. All right, now you guys say sometimes you don't want to trade the big volatility in the morning. You don't want to take that big risky trade. So what do? You have to wait for an opportunity to present itself again. And what is that opportunity? Well, that opportunity comes on a pullback, like we've talked about. You have to wait for that pullback. And what was that pullback? We have this falling wedge presenting itself on the 20 moving average right here. Oops, let me fix that again. On the 20 average right here, you can see nice little trampolining off of the 20 moving average, and bam, off it goes again. So this move right here, guys, off of the trigger of the 64.50, ended up going about 140%. If you missed that first move, this was your second opportunity. Nice falling wedge. You know what this pattern is. It's my go-to pattern. Off of this trampolining, off of this 20 moving average, straight push back up, gave you another 60% move right there. All right, so hopefully you guys found value in this. Go ahead and on your nightly scans, look for these pockets. Give yourself the opportunity to take a position in a way where there isn't much overhead. All right, as always, go ahead, like, share this video on Twitter, YouTube, wherever you guys will, and I appreciate every single one of you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.